Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can plug or unplug this microphone to your Corsair headphones. So as you can see, when you grab this microphone, you can find that it's with the mini USB, right? So we have to find the same port on our headphones, and as you can see, it's located next to the jack input. So we have to put it like that. Yeah, there we go. And as you can see right now, it is linked with our headphones. And there's also this small button that allows us to mute or unmute this microphone and the Corsair headphones. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.